you'll be wings later, so no worries. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and I am so excited about today's video. We are going to be making buffalo cauliflower sandwiches. Stay tuned. First thing you're going to need, of course, is a head of cauliflower. Now we're going to cut this bad boy up into steaks or sandwich slices or cauliflower cuts. Alright guys, I am leaving the stems on because I don't want that to compromise my cut. So we're going to carefully cut this into slices.
See, that already fell apart. Okay, that's fine.
Woo, we got one. As you guys can imagine, the batter is very similar to that of cauliflower wings. In fact, it might be the same thing. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon cumin, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon onion powder, pepper, and salt. 1 cup of non-dairy milk, and we're gonna whisk. Just as I might have suspected, this batter is too thick for me, so I already have 1/4 cup of milk on standby. So we use 1 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, my oven beeped. It is ready, and I am not, honey. All right, transfer your batter to a shallow pan, or in this case, I'm just using what's on hand. All right, so I am gonna break these stems off, guys. Don't think I'm gonna put the whole thing in there.
We ain't that vegan.
All right, that is an ugly slice, but it's okay. We don't judge. I'm just gonna dip. Careful, guys. You don't want to break your, whatever we're gonna call this. We don't want to break our cauliflower, okay? And we're gonna transfer to parchment paper. You know, she does not do aluminum. And then we're gonna repeat with this one. Break off the green part. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Why does batter smell good? Your batter should smell good. Ooh, that oven hot. 450 is hot. I got tired of y'all asking me about this air fryer, so I went and got one.
That's a lie. That's my mama's air fryer, and she said she wanted it back by the end of the week.
Today we're gonna be making fries in the air fryer, okay? Who's excited? Alright. So I got these red potatoes, also from my mom. And I have sliced them up in, like, I guess, thick chip form in this baggie. I'm gonna add a little oil. Just shake it here, I don't know, no measurement. Kind of rub it in here. Now I know some of y'all are thinking like,
oh, aren't you not supposed to use oil in the air fryer?
I tried that, it was nasty, so it's my first time using oil. It was just, it just was a fried nasty. Let's just place these on the rack. Alright, both racks are full. I just plugged it in the wall there. You can't really tell on camera, but it's a french fry button. I'm gonna push it. Okay, and this is gonna start. Do your thing, girl. Thank you. And it's automatically, I hadn't do nothing, I just push french fry. Can't buy potatoes, bye. Bye, see you in 15, bye. Let's go ahead and make our sauce while we wait, guys. 1 tablespoon vegan butter. And we're gonna go ahead and melt this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. All right, after your butter is melted and my hand is burning because I'm touching a hot bowl, you're gonna add in 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot. All right, our cauliflower is out the oven. Got a little crisp on them like I like.
Also, still burning my face. This is way too close to my face, y'all. I got to do better.
All right, I'm gonna pour our hot sauce in this one, guys. And I already put some barbecue sauce in this one because I figured, hey, let's try barbecue cauliflower and hot sauce. Okay, after you've coated both sides, I'm sticking it on fresh parchment paper, barbecue pieces, and 3 sliders. Back in the oven it goes for 10 minutes. Alright, it is time to make these sandwiches, guys. As you can see, the potatoes are out of the air fryer. I just put a little salt on top. I have not tasted them yet, so yeah. Let's start off with some vegan homemade dressing I made last night, so I had plenty of time to marinate in the fridge. Did I say homemade dressing? Ranch. Vegan ranch. Oh, yes. I'm smothering it on. Yes, I am. Okay. Lettuce. Let's do barbecue over here and hot over here. I was gonna do pickles, but I don't think I want to do pickles this time, guys. But if you like pickles on your sandwich, feel free. Tomatoes. Ew. Oh, you can't see all the ranch. Ooh.
That's gonna be an enemy.
I am joined here by
Charles.
Okay. All right, keep it on your plate.
I don't even know what he was just doing.
Got the tomato hanging out.
All right, so I got buffalo and you got barbecue. Ready?
Let's do it.
All right.
It's hitting.
I'm not gonna lie, it still tastes like cauliflower to me, my buffalo, but it's so good. The seasoning is just so seasoned. But my ranch though, I ain't gonna lie, I got a break on this ranch. The fact that it marinated overnight, it tastes like, if anybody heard of Taco Mac, it tastes like their homemade ranch, and I used to love their homemade ranch.
I'm just killing this sandwich, man. This is so good.
Potatoes.
It's good.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh yeah, yours are. I noticed the top rack got crispier than the bottom rack. Let me taste yours, but you might have top rack.
It's hitting.
I mean, it's cute if you don't want to use the oven, you don't want to warm up your house, but I'm not impressed yet with the air fryer. Can you focus on me?
This is so good. So fun.
It's so good. Wow, these are really good. Before I forget, these burger buns came from Kroger. And shout out, they be putting suitable, can y'all see that? They be putting suitable for vegans on the back of their bread. Shout out to y'all, y'all the real MVPs.
That could be a gang sign. Oh.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time.